Tired of guessing how much is left on your Cinc card? Let's unravel that mystery in the next 90 seconds. First, let's explore the online portal. Head to the website printed on the back of your Cinc card. You'll usually find it in small print. Make sure you are on the official website to protect your information. Once you are there, look for options like check balance, cardholder services, or account access. You might need to create an account if you haven't already. Be sure to use a secure password. If your Cinc card issuer has a mobile app, and many do, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log in using your existing online portal credentials or register a new account. Having trouble online? Don't worry. The customer service hotline is your next best bet. Find the phone number on the back of your card or on the official website. Be prepared to provide your card number and personal information for verification. When you call, listen carefully to the menu options. Usually, there's an option specifically for checking your balance. An automated system will guide you through the process. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Cinc card balance. Now you can shop with confidence, knowing exactly how much you have to spend. Remember to keep track of your spending to avoid surprises.